सञ्जय उवाच एतच्छ्रुत्वा वचनं केशवस्य कृताञ्जलिर्वेपमानः किरीटी नमस्कृत्वा भूय एवाह कृष्णम् स गद्गदम् भीतः प्रणम्य.
Sanjaya said to Dhritarashtra, O king, after hearing these words from Supreme Personality of Godhead, the trembling Arjuna offered obeisances with folded hands again and again. He fearfully spoke to Lord Krishna in a flattering voice as follows.
Arjuna uvacha ताने हृषीकेश तव प्रकीर्त्या जगत्प्रहृष्यत्यनुरज्यते च रक्षांसि भीतानि दिशो द्रवन्ति सर्वे नमस्यन्ति च सिद्धसङ्घाः.
Arjuna said, O master of senses, the world becomes joyful upon hearing your name, and thus everyone becomes attached to you. Although the perfected beings offer you their respectful homage, the demons are afraid and they flee here and there. All this rightly done.
Kasmacha tenannameram mahatman गरीयसे ब्रह्मणोऽप्यादिकर्त्रे अनन्तदेवेश जगन्निवास त्वमक्षरम् सदसत्तत्परम् यत्.
O great one, greater even than Brahma, you are the original creator. Why then should they not offer their respectful obeisances unto you? O limitless one, God of gods, refuse of the universe, you are the invisible source, the cause of all causes, transcendental to this material manifestation.
Tvamadideva purushah puranah tvamasya vishwasya param nidhanam vettasi vedyancha parancha dhama Tvayatatam vishvamanantarupa.
You are the original personality of Godhead, the oldest, the ultimate sanctuary of this manifested cosmic world. You are the knower of everything and you are all that is knowable. You are the supreme refuge above the material modes, O limitless form. This whole cosmic manifestation is pervaded by you.
Vayuryamognihi varunah shashankah prajapatistvam prapitamahascha namo namastestu sahasrakritvah punascha bhuyopi namo namaste.
You are air and you are the supreme controller. You are the fire, you are the water, and you are the moon. You are Brahma, the first living creature, and you are the great grandfather. I therefore offer my respectable obeisances unto you 1,000 times and yet again.
Namah purastat ata prishtataste namostute sarvata eva sarva ananta viryamita vikramasvam sarvam samapnoshi tatosi sarvaha.
Obeisances to you from the front, from behind, and from all sides. O unbounded power, you are the master of limitless might. You are all pervading and thus you are everything.
Sakheti matva prasabham yaduktam He Krishna he Yadava he Sakheti Ajanata mahimananta vedam मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि
Thinking of you as my friend, I have rashly addressed you, O Krishna, O Yadava, O my friend, not knowing your glories. Please forgive whatever I may have done in madness or in love. I have dishonored you many times.
यच्चावहासार्थमसत्कृतोऽसि विहारशय्यासनभोजनेषु एकोऽथवाप्यच्युत तत्समक्षम् तत्क्षामये त्वामहमप्रमेयम्.
Jesting as we relaxed, lay on the same bed, or sat or ate together, sometimes alone and sometimes in front of my friends, O infallible one, please excuse me for all those offences.
पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुर्गरीया न त्वत्समोऽस्त्यभ्यधिकः कुतोऽन्यः लोकत्रयेऽप्यत्प्रतिमप्रभाव.
You are the father of this complete cosmic manifestation, of the moving and non-moving. You are its worshipable chief, the supreme spiritual master. No one is equal to you, nor can anyone be one with you. How then could there be anyone greater than you within the three worlds, O Lord of immeasurable power?
तस्मात् प्रणम्य प्रणिधाय कायम् प्रसादये त्वाम् अहमीशमीड्यम्. पितेव पुत्रस्य सखेव सख्युः प्रियः प्रियायार्हसि देव सोढुम्.
You are the Supreme Lord to be worshipped by every living being. Thus I fall down to offer you my respectful obeisances and ask your mercy. As a father tolerates the impudence of his son, or a friend tolerates the impertinence of a friend, or a wife tolerates the familiarity of her partner, please tolerate the wrongs I may have done to you.
अदृष्टपूर्वम् हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितम् मनो मे. तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपम् प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास.
After seeing this universal form, which I have never seen before, I am gladdened, but at the same time my mind is disturbed with fear. Therefore, please bestow your grace upon me and reveal again your form as the personality of Godhead, O Lord of Lords, O abode of the universe.
किरीटिनम् गदिनम् चक्रहस्तम् इच्छामि त्वाम् द्रष्टुमहम् तथैव. तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते.
O universal form, O thousand-armed Lord, I wish to see you in your four-armed form, with helmeted head and with club, wheel, conch and lotus flower in your hands. I long to see you in that form.
श्रीभगवानुवाच मया प्रसन्नेन तवार्जुनेदम् रूपम् परम् दर्शितमात्मयोगात्. तेजोमयम् विश्वमनन्तमाद्यम् यन्मे त्वदन्येन न दृष्टपूर्वम्.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "My dear Arjuna, happily have I shown you by my internal potency this supreme universal form within the material world. No one before you has ever seen this primal form, unlimited and full of glaring effulgence."
न वेदयज्ञाध्ययनैर्न दानैः न च क्रियाभिर्न तपोभिरुग्रैः एवं रूपः शक्य अहं नृलोके द्रष्टुं त्वदन्येन कुरु प्रवीर.
O best of the Kuru warriors, no one before you has ever seen this universal form of mine. For either by studying the Vedas, nor by performing sacrifices, nor by charity, nor by pious activities, nor by severe penances, can I be seen in this form in the material world.
मा ते व्यथा मा च विमूढभावः दृष्ट्वा रूपम् घोरमिदृङ्ममेदम् व्यपेतभिप्रीतमना पुनस्त्वम् तदेव मे रूपमिदम् प्रपश्य.
You have been perturbed and bewildered by seeing this horrible feature of mine. Now let it be finished. My devotee, be free again from all disturbances. With a peaceful mind, you can now see the form you desire.
सञ्जय उवाच इत्यर्जुनम् वासुदेवस्तथोक्त्वा स्वकम् रूपम् दर्शयामास भूयः आश्वासयामास च भीतमेनम् भूत्वा पुनः सौम्य वपुर्महात्मा.
Sanjaya said to Dhritarashtra, "The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, having spoken thus to Arjuna, displayed his real four-armed form and at last showed his two-armed form, thus encouraging the fearful Arjuna."
अर्जुन उवाच दृष्ट्वेदम् मानुषम् रूपम् तव सौम्यम् जनार्दन इदानीमस्मि संवृत्तः सचेताः प्रकृतिम् गतः.
When Arjuna thus saw Krishna in his original form, he said, "O Janardana, seeing this human-like form, so very beautiful, I am now composed in mind, and I am restored to my original nature."
श्रीभगवानुवाच सुदुर्दर्शमिदम् रूपम् दृष्टवानसि यन्मम देवा अप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यम् दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "My dear Arjuna, this form of mine you are now seeing is very difficult to behold. Even the demigods are ever seeking the opportunity to see this form, which is so dear."
नाहम् वेदैर्न तपसा न दानेन न चेज्यया शक्यम् एवं विधो द्रष्टुम् दृष्टवानसि माम् यथा.
The form you are seeing with your transcendental eyes cannot be understood simply by studying the Vedas, nor by undergoing serious penances, nor by charity, nor by worship. It is not by these means that one can see me as I am.
भक्त्या त्वनन्यया शक्य अहम् एवं विधोऽर्जुन ज्ञातुम् द्रष्टुम् च तत्त्वेन प्रवेष्टुम् च परम् तप.
My dear Arjuna, only by undivided devotional service I can be understood as I am standing before you, and can thus be seen directly. Only in this way you can enter into the mysteries of my understanding.
मत्कर्म कृन्मत्परमः मद्भक्तः सङ्गवर्जितः निर्वैरः सर्वभूतेषु यः स मामेति पाण्डव.
My dear Arjuna, he who engages in my pure devotional service, free from the contaminations of fruitive activities and mental speculation, he who works for me, who makes me the supreme goal of his life, and who is friendly to every living being, he certainly comes to me.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायाम् योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे विश्वरूपदर्शनयोगो नाम 11.